Hello everyone, so today I'm going to introduce you to a new product by Magbak. If you guys aren't familiar with it, I have a Magbak phone mount. It's a magnetic phone mount, charges your phone. I love it, it's absolutely amazing. We'll put a link to that video up here. We do have a coupon code for that, that's ZEV15. If you guys do want to get a phone mount after you check out that video, look in the description of that video and you'll find the link below with our coupon code. So, onto this new product. This product is for those people who are just chronic wheel curbers. Either you or your significant other just loves to rub their factory wheels up against the curbs. This is the product for you. So, as you can see here, we've got some curbage. This product is made for the 20-inch Model 3 Uber turbine wheel, the 20-inch Model Y induction wheel, which is this one, and the 21-inch Model Y Uber turbine wheel, which is this one over here. So we've got all three wheels here on display. This is basically a rim protector, but if you've seen these other type of rim protectors on the market, I just personally, I can't stand them. You'll see that there's like this kind of rubberized piece, really thick plastic rubber piece that kind of goes all the way around the perimeter of your wheel. It sticks out like a sore thumb. You can get them in different colors if you want to, be flashy. You can do that. The problem with that one, to my understanding, is that you have to dismount the tire to install that rim protector. So, the other thing that I found out about that product is we have a couple of friends that have it. When it goes on it, it doesn't seem to sit flush. So either the tire maybe is pushing up against it or something. It just doesn't sit flat. It doesn't look even. When your wheel is spinning down the road, it just looks like that rim protector is doing this. It's just not completely flat. Personally, I'm not a fan. I'd much rather refinish my wheels. I think, refinishing can be anywhere from $300 to $600 or something. There's a lot of mobile guys that come out and just do, airbrush detail, airbrushing work to your wheel on site for really cheap as well. But this product I think is done well. It is something that looks virtually seamless. It's modular, does not require the removal of your tire. So just imagine that every time you have to mount and dismount that tire to install those other rim protectors, it's like a big rubber band, you're paying extra money for that labor. So I'm going to show you guys this product. It is called the Magbak Rimcase. As I said, they make it for 3 different OEM Tesla wheels. As you know, we are fans of aftermarket wheels, but if you really, really like your factory wheels, Tesla does have some nice looking factory wheels. And if you damage them, God forbid, this product will save your wallet. So, a kit of 4 is about $300, so $75 a wheel. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on this 20-inch Model 3 Uber turbine. We've also got some curb mark over here, right here. There's some curbing. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the contents of what comes in, and then I'll show you guys how to do a quick installation of the product. Open the box here. We have these plastic covers. Okay, we'll take this rubber band off. And as you can see, you've got these covers here. So these covers will snap onto the wheel and protect a large amount of that wheel surface actually. So all of this is going to protect the edge of the wheel. All right. And if you notice here, it's probably hard to tell on camera, but there's a clip. Basically, this clamps on right here onto an area of the wheel. And then the top will snap in. So you go bottom in, snap to the top. We'll show you guys how to do that. So it also comes with some wipes to clean the wheel. Some wipes to clean the wheel. And it comes with some protective film. So for those of you who install this on a brand new wheel and you don't want these plastic covers to actually put any micro scratches in the wheel itself, you can go ahead and install these this protective film. So there's 2 different shapes of protective film. This one has 4 different pieces on this. And then you've also got these ones here. So one of these is going to basically cover the body of the spoke, kind of in here, and the other one's going to actually put a film over the edge. So basically, you won't have any direct contact of the plastic cover or rim case onto the actual painted surface itself. You will have this film there as an intermediate layer. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all these wheels, show you guys exactly how we snap those things on here and how quick it is. We'll do this whole wheel. Magbak says it'll be done in 4 minutes. Let's see if I can do that. All right, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this alcohol wipe. You're going to clean all of these surfaces in between the spokes where we're going to actually install the clear protective film. So I'm not going to install the protective film for this purpose because this is just a display wheel. I don't really care about it, but you will see that there is one of these pieces here that is designed for the hole of the valve stem. So you want to make sure you choose the right one and place it in the right place right here where the valve stem is. So this is just going to go into this spot here. You'll see on the top of this, there's going to be a couple of notches. Those notches actually reference exactly where it will fold over the actual rim, the edge of the wheel. Then you've also got another small piece that's curved that'll go along this side. So you've got these bigger pieces that go in between the spokes, and then you got these pieces that go above the spokes. So same principle applies. You'll put this on here. There's a couple of notches up here that reference exactly where the fold occurs, and it'll fold over the edge of the wheel. That way, none of these plastic pieces, they're what they call rim cases, are going to be in direct contact with your painted surfaces in the event that this is a brand new wheel. So now that I've explained how that works, we're going to go ahead and start snapping pieces in. Now, Magbak says on their website that it'll take 4 minutes. I think I'd be able to get through one wheel in less than 4 minutes, but maybe that includes installing the protective film. I don't know. Either way, it's a fast process, and to remove them, and you can do it with the tire on there. So I just don't have a tire on this wheel, this display wheel. So even if you have a tire on here, you can still install it, and you can remove it with the use of a little, plastic type of pry bar. So let's begin. So you've got a little clamp right here. Okay, this is going to go into this area and then snap in. That's it. And you're going to obviously go counterclockwise. So you'll see that, and we'll continue going. Look at this. Look how fast this is. And we'll go. Now we've got a pretty bad curb mark over here on this side. So I'll show that to you right there. So the goal is to get that covered up. And we've got some surface scratches over here from apparently an inexperienced tire mounting shop that put this on their mounter and just completely scratched the surface. So let's go. Let's go. Go another one in here. I mean, this is so easy. And it's just going to look so much nicer than those other kits out there that look like a rubber band. And they're fluorescent, green and red. I mean, to each their own, but for me, I like to be conservative. And the final piece. So, there you go. The last one, you'll have to lift this one back off, pop it back in, and get in there. Make sure everything is snapped in real good and flush. All right, it feels good. Check it out. The damage was on this side. Can't see it anymore. Now look at this. That is your finished product. All right, so it's all done. It's very incognito. In the event that you do damage one, you can literally just go in here, assuming the tire's still on it, and you can just pop it off. See, just like that. All right, just pops on, pops off. Super easy to work with. Lift this one up. pop that one in. And you're all set. There you go. It's super seamless, it's modular, it's very convenient. If you guys are interested in this product, please check out their website. We'll put a link in the description below. Use our coupon code ZEVCENTRIC15 to get 15% off. They are $300 for a set of wheels. I will inquire with them if they sell these pieces individually in the event you don't need to replace the whole set. I believe you can buy these pieces individually and just replace what you need. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this product as much as I like my phone mount. I think this thing is quite ingenious. The way it just is put together, it's so well thought out. We appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Please share this with your friends that love curving wheels. They will appreciate this product. It will save a lot of tension in marriages and relationships, because if your significant other likes parallel parking and curving wheels, this is the product for them. Christmas is around the corner. Make it happen. If you guys haven't seen our Patreon account, it's patreon.com/ZEVCentric. It's $5 a month. We only have one membership right now. It really helps us to support this channel and continue making cool content for you guys. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again.